Hey guys, so we're gonna be making a juice today. So let's see what we're gonna juice today, guys. So we're gonna do beets, carrots, and blueberries. So we're gonna be making a blueberry carrot beet juice today. So guys, please leave a comment down below. If you have a juice combination that you really like, please share with us so we can try it out. So guys, I'm gonna be using my 2-month juicer today, which I really love. And guys, after juicing, I'm not gonna throw away the trash. I'm not going to throw away the fiber. I'm actually going to use some of the fiber to make a banana bread. Okay guys, I'm going to combine the fiber with some ripe bananas and make a banana bread. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I normally add a pinch of salt to my juice and a little water to just balance out the sweetness and everything. So guys, it's so good. So now we are on to making the banana bread with the leftover fibers. So guys, everybody know how to make a banana bread, but you start off with the very ripe bananas. And I started off with 3. I'm crushing them. And I'm just gonna add a little water to thin it out a bit. I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil and I'm adding some agave syrup as a sweetener. You can put whatever sweetener you like. And okay, so I'm onto the dry ingredients now guys. So I'm using 2 cups of spelt flour instead of regular white flour and half a cup of millet flour, and I'm grating some nutmeg to it as well. And guys, I'm just gonna add the pulp, the fiber from the juice to the mixture. Guys, I put baking powder in there, of course, and I'm adding some vanilla extract as well, just for flavoring and taste and everything. Guys, I'm adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, a little bit of water to make sure everything is combined. And guys, people always say, but oh, you just juicing and what about the fiber? Well guys, this is how you can repurpose the fiber. Okay guys, so I've already oiled and dust my pan with a little flour, and I'm adding the mixture to my baking pan. So guys, I'm gonna be putting it in the oven, baking it at 350 like for an hour or until done. So guys, this is the finished product. This is my banana bread with all the pulp from the carrot, the blueberry, and it's so moist, so moist.